cutting some fruit for you. Do you want apples or bananas today? Okay, wash your hands and come to the table. I'm making a small list for today. We need a few clothes for the kids and maybe one shirt for Harris. Don't worry, just the important things.
Good morning.
Breakfast is ready.
Good morning. It smells so good.
Sit down, let's eat first, then we'll get ready.
This looks really good.
Eat well. We'll need energy for the mall.
Don't worry, I'm ready.
Mom, is breakfast ready? I'm hungry. Yes. Come on, wash your hands first.
After breakfast, we're going to the mall.
Really? Can I choose my own shirt? And I want a pretty cardigan.
I'm packing water and snacks.
Good. The kids get tired quickly.
No problem, I've got it.
Why do they feel weird?
Because they're on the wrong feet.
Zane, you did it again. Daddy, do I look nice?
Yes, you look very nice.
Okay, I'm ready to go. Is everyone ready? Yes! Let's go now!
Okay, team, let's move. Stay close to us, okay?
I will stay close. I'm holding Mommy's hand.
Okay, everyone, the car is here.
Alma, let's get in calmly.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, shopping list is complete.
Look, it's a huge plane.
Wow, I see it. Great spotting, honey.
Dad, look! I can see the mall road.
Yes, we're getting closer.
Sit properly, Zane.
Oops, the chips are excited too.
That was funny.
Careful, Harris.
Okay, first we buy kids' clothes.
Then shoes, right?
Yes, and only what we need.
Is that the mall?
Yes, that's the mall.
Yay! We're here! Hold my hand, Ina. Okay, Mom. Wow, it's so big. We will go this way.
Okay, lead us.
I want to see the shirts first. Mom, we are going up.
Yes, hold the rail carefully.
Slowly, everyone. Look, Mom. That shop has cool clothes.
Yes, we'll go there soon.
Don't run, Zane. Can we go in now?
Yes, but walk slowly. Stay close to us.
Okay, kids, choose one thing you really like.
I want a cardigan.
I want a shirt.
Mom, can I try this cardigan?
Yes, take it and check the size.
Okay, I like it. Dad, I like this shirt.
Nice. Hold it up and see.
Okay, this one is good.
This one is a bit expensive.
Then let's choose a simpler one.
Yes, good idea.
Which color do you like more?
I think this color looks better.
Okay, let's take that one.
Mom, this blue cardigan is soft.
Yes, it feels nice. Do you want it?
Yes, please. Mom, can I buy one more?
Not today, Zane. Just one.
Okay, I understand.
We will buy what we need.
Okay, I will choose one.
Good job, Zane.
Okay, Mom. I choose this one.
Perfect. Thank you for listening.
You're welcome.
Okay, we are done here.
Great. We found good things.
I like my cardigan.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 4, 5.
Good, Ina. Your turn is coming.
Mom, look. How do I look? You look very pretty, Ina.
Hold still. Let me take a photo.
That looks perfect on you.
Okay, photo time.
I want to show Grandma, too. This jacket is too big.
Yes, it's big on you.
Try a smaller size, Zane.
You look funny, Zane.
I know, it's huge.
Okay, let's change it. Everyone,
Look here.
smile, kids.
Cheese!
Do these jeans look okay?
Yes, they look nice.
Okay, I'll take them.
Mom, my hair clip is gone.
Oh no. When did you see it last?
I had it a minute ago.
It's okay, Ina. Don't worry.
I really like that clip.
We will find it together.
Let's go back and check.
I will help look for it.
Okay, stay close, kids. Look near the bench.
I'm looking. Please help me find it.
Wait, I see something. Where is it? There, near the bench.
Ina, it's here.
Oh, good job, Zane.
Yes. That's mine. Thank you, Zane. You're welcome. Here you go. Here you go.
That was very helpful, Zane.
Good job, team.
Oh,
Yes, we found it.
thank you, Zane.
Thank you, Zane.
Okay, shoes next.
I want comfortable shoes.
We will try and choose.
These feel good.
Walk a little. Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are.
No running in the store, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Good.
Mom, my legs are tired.
Sit for a minute, Ina.
Ah.
We are almost done.
Okay, shoes are done.
Good. Next is one shirt for you.
Then, food, right?
Which shirt should I take?
Choose a simple one.
Okay.
That color looks good on you.
Really? Then I'll take it.
Daddy, it's nice.
Mom, can I see the toys? We can look later, after lunch. Okay.
The food court is right down there, kids. Who's hungry for pizza?
So many people.
Let's find a table. Come this way.
2 sandwiches and 2 juices, please.
And one water bottle, too.
Can I have apple juice?
This is good.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly. I like my juice.
What did you like the most today?
I liked choosing my shirt. I liked the cardigan. Mom, I got ice cream.
Yes, enjoy it carefully.
Ina, you have a little on your nose. Hold still, Ina.
Okay.
That's very nice, Zane.
Okay, let's pay now.
Yes, we're almost finished.
Can we go home after this? Okay, the total is fine.
Good.
We stayed on budget.
Are we done now? I'll buy a small surprise for Aina.
Okay, nice.
She will be happy.
That's sweet.
Just a small gift.
Oh. Is it for me? Okay, we're done. Let's go out.
Hold the bags carefully.
I'm walking slowly. Mom, can we go home now? Yes, we're going home.
Good job today, everyone. Is everyone okay back there?
Yes, Dad. I'm fine.
You both did really well today.
We're home.
Huh?
Can I take my shoes off now?
Yes, put them in the right place.
Look, Mom. I'm wearing my cardigan.
It looks very nice on you.
And I like my shirt too. Today was a good day.